As y'all may know, I'm a fan of Manscaped gear and their formulations designed specifically for men. The perfect tools for your goodies down under. Although I've already shown off their Lawn Mower 3.0. Basically, it's waterproof, cordless, you know, all the good stuff you want in a trimmer. But we haven't really talked about the other formulations included in the perfect package. Starting with this secret weapon that all guys should know about, say it with me, ball deodorant. Seriously, am I the only one that ever wondered why we only put deodorant on our armpits, but not other smelly parts of your body? Well, that's why Manscaped created the Crop Preserver Ball Deodorant, because they deserve some TLC too, especially during quarantine. The best part, not only does it smell great, it also moisturizes, thanks to it being infused with aloe vera, so your balls can also feel smooth and refreshed. You're welcome. That also means no more having to deal with talcum powder down your shorts, thanks to the Crop Preserver Ball Deodorant's clear gel formulation that dries clear, so you don't have to worry about any powders, residue, or stains. Since its liquid formulation dries on contact, it'll keep you clean and feeling fresh all day long. Don't worry, because it's made of all natural ingredients, free of any parabens or dyes, plus they're also cruelty-free, as they're never tested on any animals. The ball doesn't stop there. Get it? Anyways, Manscaped has the Crop Reviver Ball Toner Spray, which keeps you feeling fresh, but on the go. So take it with you to travel, or after working up a good sweat at the gym. To use, all you have to do is give your nuggets a few sprays of this vegan formula that's infused with witch hazel and cologne quality scent for a boost of confidence and comfort. So keep one in your nightstand, glove box, or even in your suitcase, so you never get caught off guard ever again. And I don't know about you, but who doesn't like smelling good, especially on date night? Anyways, if you're interested, head over to manscaped.com. They offer free shipping, delivery worldwide, and every order of the perfect package or performance package gets a free travel bag and a pair of Manscaped boxers. You can experience the Manscaped formulations for yourself, and yeah, your balls will thank you.